Today is Sunday, April 15, 2018. My family and my friends and I are at the Feast Buffet at Sunset Station for my 23rd birthday dinner today. And this is what I'm having for my early birthday dinner at the Feast Buffet. Got macaroni and cheese, chicken, a piece of chicken, ziti which is some kind of spaghetti only with a funny kind of looking noodle, cranberry sauce, mashed potatoes. I also got two pieces of pizza, slices of pizza, excuse me, one with cheese and one with pepperoni. I also got a garlic breadstick right there. And I also got water and a Diet Pepsi for drinks tonight. Yep, should be really delicious. Alright, I'll be right back, guys. Today is Sunday, April 15, 2018. We're at the Feast Buffet at Sunset Station, me and my family and my friends. And this is my appetizer plate at the Feast Buffet, and this is what I got for today's dinner. I got a salad with ranch dressing and lettuce and carrots slices. I also got a packet of crackers, chocolate pudding, 2 slices of watermelon, and for dessert I also got a slice of pumpkin pie right there. Yep, should be really delicious. Okay guys, I'll be right back for another video.
Hey Max, Melissa, say happy birthday, Sean. There you go.
Happy birthday, Sean.
Hey.
Thank you.
It's my birthday.
Happy birthday, Sean.
Okay, Sean's gonna open his present.
Do you want him to open yours first, Max?
We're at Sunset Station.
Yeah, let's do Max first.
What's the date today?
Alright, here.
April 15th, 2018. Sean turned 23 3 days ago. So we're here with his friends, Max, Melissa, Ben, sister Cassidy, and friend Cassidy. Too many Cassidys.
Actually, there's 2 of them.
And me.
Yeah, this is my mom filming.
Me, Mom.
From Max. It's from Max.
Max, cool.
Yeah. Alright, let's see what he got me.
Cassidy, why don't you grab his plate out of the way?
Yeah, please get over it, please. Alright.
Drum roll, please. It's taking a long time. No pressure.
I had a feeling it was this Zootopia.
Zootopia, sweet. We haven't seen that one yet.
Thanks, Max. I really do appreciate it.
Very cool.
I don't think I ever had this. It's really cool you got me this, Max.
Nice.
Alright, let's see what else we got here.
I don't have mine on Blu-ray.
Yeah, I don't even have the red. It's only on DVD. Oh, okay, yeah. Good thing I have this Blu-ray. Oh, today's all about you. A lot of yous. Oh. $20.
Cash money, 20 bucks. Who's that from? Who's that from?
It says you and cake, but mostly you. Look, and cake, mostly.
Hello.
It says happy birthday from Cassidy. Thanks, Cassidy.
Cassidy Cooper. Sweet.
Here.
Sean's got some shopping to do.
Yeah, something like that.
Raphael gave him a Disney card, gift card.
Yeah, Raphael gave it to me. Raphael gave it to me. Oh, here. What? Yeah, I saw him, yeah. He gave me his present. Let's see here. Oh, I love this. This is, you did this right there?
Yep.
Yeah. For my best buddy, happy 23rd birthday, Sean Murray. I like the writing you did there.
Nice.
Oh, I get it. That's you. What's that? Look what he did. For my best buddy, happy 23rd birthday, Sean Murray. He made that as himself. The bear is Ben. Melissa's the bird. I'm the gorilla, and Cassidy is the deer. Yeah.
Very cool.
Look,
That's
Cassidy.
nice drawing. I love
You're
that.
the deer. Melissa, you're the bird.
That means you have wings, Melissa.
Hey Ben, next time maybe you could add Max to there too.
Of course. I would be happy to.
Hey, open it up. Let's see the
Okay,
inside.
yeah. Amazon gift card.
Sweet.
Woo-hoo.
Read what he said. But just read it to
Yeah.
yourself though, 'cause that's private.
Okay.
Read it. Well, that cough, boy.
Sorry, can't help it someday. Probably the allergies.
Should we do some karaoke while we're waiting?
I'm almost done.
Just teasing.
I knew you were. Very good.
The Jeopardy music. Do do do.
Sean.
Alright. I really love the message you got me here. And yeah, it's really cool. I really appreciate
You
it.
like the gift card?
Yeah, it's really cool. I can use it on Amazon because my mom does Amazon too.
You can buy some movies with it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
maybe I'll get
we'll
some
shop
movies that I
together,
don't
Sean.
have.
Or maybe some video games that you have.
Yeah, that too, yeah. Alright,
Okay.
who else is there?
And Melissa's mom already gave you hers, right?
Pardon?
Melissa's mom already gave you.
Oh yeah, the $10,
Something?
yeah. Loads of wishes for the birthday boy. I like the design on here.
That's so
A dog
cool.
driving a dump truck with a cake on it. And a candle, yeah, a candle. Yeah.
A big piece of cake, it needs a truck.
Oh yeah, I'm Murray. Happy birthday. Oh, Mickey Mouse.
Read the rest of that card, then go to that one. One at a time.
Hope your birthday and the year ahead to bring loads of surprises and good times for you. Happy birthday and have fun. Your friend Melissa.
Thanks, Melissa.
Okay, now read the other one. Oh, she drew you a picture of Mickey. How cool is that?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on. I gotta get a close up. The drawings need their moment.
He's holding a cake.
Very nice.
Yeah, chocolate cake it looks like.
Impressive.
Yeah, it looks like
Okay, open it up. Oh my goodness, there's more.
Walmart gift card.
Sweet.
Woohoo! I can use that
That's gonna
one.
be a shopping machine, man.
Yeah, as long as it's birthday or Christmas, whatever holiday it is. Yeah, I am kind of a shopping machine sometimes.
Might mistake him for a girl. I don't know.
I really do appreciate this store. Sorry, one more about it. Alright, I think there's one more left. Let's see. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. The live action versions.
I didn't see the second one yet.
Yeah, it's okay. I think it's really cool.
Scooby-Doo!
Scooby-Doo, where are you? This is the
Ruby,
original
Ruby,
series.
Roo.
The complete first and second season.
Yeah, it's
60th anniversary.
yeah, it's Scooby-Doo. Oh, it's the newest King Kong movie.
Skull Island.
Yeah,
We
one
love
of my
those
favorite-
monkey movies.
Yeah, my favorite actor John Goodman is in this movie.
Saucy White.
Yeah, he's in there.
What?
Saucy White.
Oh, John C. Reilly. Oh.
Yeah. Oh, and there's one more.
Did you say
Oh, I
monkey
was-
movie?
Yes. I don't like monkey movies.
That's okay.
Like Planet of the Apes is creepy.
I saw it in the theater. Kubo and the Two Strings.
Kubo, sweet.
You think monkeys are creepy?
Thanks, Mom.
Well, in the
thanks,
movies,
Mom.
not real
Oh.
monkeys.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.
Did you know that gorillas are not monkeys? They're apes.
Yeah, we
I've
know.
heard that.
So are chimpanzees
They
and
still look like monkeys.
Even
orangutans.
though they
And,
don't have tails.
and goodbye.
See you later.
Bye.
All right.
Panorama.
See you guys later.
Sunset Station, Sean's 23rd birthday party. First roll of the game. Action shot. Gutter ball. Oh man. That's alright, that was just practice warm up. Looking better. Nice job. Okay, Ben is next. Ben is busy. Number 8. That's right. Not a bad start. He likes the zigzag pattern. Not working out so well. Who's next? Cassidy Cooper. Wow, nice job. No bumpers needed. Nice. Good. Melissa, your turn. Nice job, Melissa. Good job. Sean's the cheerleader. Ben is the coach. Nice job. Good job. Cassidy with a K. high fives going on. She got a spare.